Welcome to HP2B Products and Services, where you find the products and services you want to buy. You can purchase products directly from the home page. Or by clicking on HP Catalog. You can export the catalog to Excel to get a single view of it in one file. You can search and filter products. You can buy standalone products, bundles, or create your own configuration. Make comparisons between up to 4 standalone products. Browse Bundles preset collections of compatible products that are ready to order. Create your own custom configurations by choosing localization, hardware, service and support, and accessories options. Achieve your sustainability goals by filtering and selecting products with environmental certifications. Get photos and details of the product of your choosing. See features, specifications, and accessories recommendations. For more details, go to our Products and Services Quick Guide. HP2B, IT purchasing made simple.